Good morning, children. Let us discuss the first chapter of 6th class from where we stopped in last class. As we know, children, in last class we have discussed about the district maps, political maps and physical maps. Let us discuss about one problem regarding with the lack of knowledge in map. Children, if you have the knowledge regarding the map, it is easy to commute from one place to another place. But here one problem was rose between two close friends, which was given in our textbook. That is between Laila and Mallika. Children, both Laila and Mallika. Children, both Laila and Mallika, they are the friends. Here the Laila and Mallika. Children, Laila and Mallika met in Red Cross service activity in Srikakulam. There they became close friends. Mallika lives in Venkatapuram village and Laila lives in Vijayanagaram. So here Laila planned to visit Mallika house in the coming holidays. Remind children, Laila wanted to visit Mallika house in the coming holidays. So she wrote a letter asking Mallika how to reach her house from the bus stand. As you know, once we reach it to bus stand, we have to know where the place it is. So she asked Mallika to how to reach her friend house, which means Mallika house. So Mallika was happy with about her friend's proposal visit. So she sent the details of the location of her house from the the sketched map. So children, let us see the sketched map of Mallika. Children, Mallika was sent one map to Laila to how she should reach to Mallika house. Here children, the map it is like that. Children, this is Mallika's map. Children, here some questions are there. Let us see. Do you reach Mallika house from the bus stop with the help of the sketched map? Here, can you draw a sketch map of a route from your school to house? Do you reach Mallika house from the bus stand with the help of the sketched map? Children, is it possible to reach the Mallika house from the bus stand with the help of the sketched map? If you are in the place of Laila, is it possible to reach you from the bus stop to Mallika house? Next one, how many turnings did Laila take to reach Mallika house? Are there any landmarks at the turning? Here, if you see, one turning is, another turning is there. Here another turning is there. Next question is, are all buildings shown in the sketch to their actual size? Here the buildings are there. Is these buildings are look like similar to actual buildings? These are all almost the questions have answers here, but two questions have not the answers here. What that is, if you see here, see, let us see. Can you tell in which direction Laila walked, north or east? Can you tell the distance from the bus stop to Mallika house? These two questions not there in this map. In this map these questions are not there, because here in this map no direction is there. For each and every map there should be a direction, but here in this map no directions are there. Children, what I am want to say is, here if you see this map, this is map, if you see the Mallika's house map, here in this map no direction is showing. Each and every map there should be a direction. if you want to consider one particular picture as a map, it should it should have the direction. It should contain a direction. The direction always been right side top corner of the map. Here in this place, one direction should be there, but here in the Mallika map there is no direction, so that it is not possible for Laila to reach to Mallika house. Of course it is possible, but it is a bit of difficult for the Laila. And next one is, children, if you see, next question, here in this other other point of view, can you tell the distance from the bus stop to Laila house? No, it is not possible. No, it is not possible. Why means, here Laila is not shown the distance in this map. Laila is not shown distance in the map, because it is showing just direction, or just arrow marks to go which place to which place. If it is shown the distance from here to here or here to here, it would be very easy for the Laila to reach here to here. Otherwise it may be very long distance, so that it is difficult for the Laila to walk here. If Laila thought that this distance is very less distance, if she may started to walk here. But actually if it is a long distance, it is very tough for her. So that one map, the direction should be there, and next one, the distance also should mention. So in further classes, how we measure the distance, all these things we will discuss. And in coming this chapter, we'll discuss about different directions, and which side is what direction we'll discuss. Children, let us understand about direction. As I said previous my concept, each and every map should contain a direction, but you have to understand about the directions first. Here if you see the directions, look at the following picture carefully. Here the sun is rising, which means what? Sun rising means it should be in east side. What side? East side. Exactly opposite to the east, what side, what direction will be there? West. Children, if you are there in front of the sun rising, like this boy, and your face always been showing what? East direction. And if next one, your left one is showing what? Left one is showing what? Your left one is showing what? North. And your right side is showing what? South. And your back side is showing what? What it is? West. So if you are facing the sun, you always been in towards east side, and your left side always been what? North side. Your right side always been what? South. And your back side always been what? West. If you see here in this map, towards his face east is there, and his north side some trees are there, and here in his right side, which means in south side, well is there. His back side is what? Some one hut, which means one house is there. Next class we'll discuss a very interesting topic, that is about compasses. Here the compasses, which means Diksuchi. Why does the compass always show the north? This is very interesting question for us. So in my next video I will explain clearly about how the compass will always show north. Why it does not show south or west, east, and all these things I will explain in next class. Further, I will explain about the history of the compass, and the discovery of compass also I will try to explain you.